This is TJ back again. Today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys the applicants that I bought, some tech stuff, some gadgets, and yeah, we had a budget of over like 4k or downwards, 4,000 rands downwards, but we want. So basically one of my friends, Codeine or Legend VII, been pressuring me about battleground games, and I thought I should get it, but I'm not gonna use it that much, you feel me. And secondly, we have a power supply. If you remember from my last PC videos, my power supply actually died, but this is 450 watts, which is way overkill, bro, because I was on 250 stock. It was stock, and this is on sale, you feel me. So your boy had to get it because it's like 450. That's a lot, bro. That's a lot. We have the accessories. We have like the cover for my phone, you feel me. I'm using a Redmi 10 2022, so I thought, you know what, I should get it like a futuristic cover, because we are gamers. Shout out to Effort the Gamer. Go subscribe to Effort the Gamer. Go subscribe to ETG. And yeah, even this, bro, subscribe to this, and let's get to the top, you feel me. Since we got like a PC, I thought, you know what, your boy should just get an SSD, bro, because every day I'm watching like PC videos and stuff on the tech stuff, and they be saying SSD just better, you feel me. And I'm just gonna install GTA SA on this SSD. So it's like, although it's not that much of a say, they were going for 400. Now they say 250, but it's alright, you feel me. It's alright, bro. I was like, yo, let me get a mouse pad, because last time I was using just the book. I was taking my school book, bro. When I say that book got ruined, but yeah, we have a mouse pad, which is like extra large with the red trim. It looks like a gaming mouse pad, but it's super cheap, bro. 108? Is that for real? Bro, since we get like a PC, it comes with 2 gig. It comes with 4 gig of RAM. I wanted this best deal, and this is a combo, you feel me. It's 600 megahertz, it's dual channel, it's DDR3 like the PC that I'm expecting to come, and it's king fast, you feel me. Yeah, it's good. As you can see, we went 1.36. We got 1.360 rands, bro. That's a lot, because I was hoping to go like probably on 800 on this, but we ended up going over. Mostly it's because of the the power supply, because that's the power supply and the finger sleeve were the last thing that we added. All these other things were actually costing like 800 to 900 like this. We're rushing to take the package actually. Guys, we just went to get these from Take It Out. I'm not gonna show my address and stuff. I was running, bro, because the nigga said he was 4 minutes away, and pickup point is like the station. 1 million scratch cards, one with a smile. Scan to save for you. Oh shoot! That's got like a PC like at least 3 days ago. Now we have 2 4 gig RAMs, and we have an SSD. I have to shut this thing off to actually install it, and yeah, we're working on it, bro. Alright guys, I know this is complicated. You got it, two sticks of RAMs. We wanna install them. That is literally so hard. I thought it was my heart, like. So this is an Optiplex 9020, feel me. Been doing a lot of research, and it's a good PC, and I thought, you know what, let me buy it. Why did that other one click so hard? Don't tell me I broke it, no. So right now we're gonna take this wire for the like an SSD. We bought an SSD too. Where is it? Where's the SSD? King? It was a cheap SSD. I think two something or one something. Give me a sec. We have an SSD, bro, as you can see, and this is a DVD drive. This is actually a DVD drive, so we're actually gonna remove like the DVD drive. I don't know how to put this phone. I literally don't know how to put this phone. Yo, first run. It's starting to rain, isn't like it's unbelievable that I bought some RAMs and some stuff. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to like boot up, because we just installed an SSD. Sorry about the flash, guys. Sorry about the flash. Because it's too dark in here. Yo, this is taking longer than usual actually. We just installed a 128 gig SSD and two RAMs, 4 gigs of RAM. So now it's like I installed a 8 gig. So like okay, this is getting. So like we actually have 12 gig of RAMs, all of them dual channels too. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna check the RAM first. That's the first thing I'll have to check. You feel me? As you can see, we have 12 gig of RAM, bro.